Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to speed up your Chrome browser on your Android and you're looking out how to do so, today we are going to guide you exactly. So let's just get started. Open up Chrome for that. And once you access your Chrome application, you can look out for the three dot in the top right corner and select it. And then once you select it, go ahead and access your Chrome settings. After you access your Chrome settings, what you need to do is scroll down or look out for the option of privacy, safety, or security and tap on it. And once you tap on it, there you'll be finding option to clear the browsing data. So tap on it and make sure when you are in the section, look out for the cookies inside data and cached image and files, and ensure that both of these options are selected and tap on this option of delete data, and that should clear the data, and that should probably um, free up the space and can make your pages load faster as well. Apart from that, what you can do is you can enable the light mode. So go to the settings for that, tap on the three dots and select settings. And once you select settings, look out for the option of light mode if that option is available. And you can just go over and turn it on. And when you do so, Chrome should basically load the lightweight version of the websites, which will improve the speed on the slow connections. Also disable and limit the background applications. So when you head over to Chrome itself, you can look out for the tab option at the top and select it. When you select it, there you'll be finding different tabs available. What you need to do is close the unnecessary tabs. You can look out for this cross option and select it and remove the unnecessary application from here. I mean the tabs from here. So just go over and do so. Apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over and head over and reload the pages. So go to settings for that, tap on the three dot and select settings. And within settings, go to privacy and security option and tap on it. And within here, look out for the preload pages option and tap on it. And you can turn on the option. So you can select the standard preloading or extend the preloading, and more pages will be preloaded, and pages may be preloaded through the Google service. So you can just go over and do so. Also update your Chrome application to the latest version. So you can go over to your settings, Play Store application for that, and select Chrome from here. And just go over and update the application if there is any kind of update available for the following app. And that is it. Probably these steps and tips should work for you, and you should be able to speed up the Chrome browser on Android. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.